Hello dears, Namaste and welcome to my channel. Hope you all are doing well. Today's recipe is for all the mushroom lovers. The restaurant style creamy and rich Kadai mushroom. Let's get started. Oh, before that, do hit that red subscribe button and ring that tiny bell for sure. So, here I have taken around 250 grams of mushroom that I soaked in salted warm water. Mushrooms need thorough cleaning before using them, though they beep a lot while cooking if soaked in water. Keep them aside for 15 minutes. Next step is prepping for the gravy. For this, I am adding cardamoms, cloves, cinnamon and cumin seeds into hot oil. Once they splutter, add roughly chopped ginger and garlic. Then goes in chopped onions. Saute them for 5 minutes. They don't need to change color. Add in a red chili. Give it a good mix. And then add tomatoes. Turn off the flame once they are soft and keep them aside to cool. Let's chop the veggies now. Firstly, discard all the water and wash the mushrooms. Pat them dry as they have a ton of moisture in them and then start chopping them as shown. Don't make them too thin. I have also chopped onions and bell peppers into cubes. Now let's check on the spices and onions. They have cooled down. Blend them into a fine paste. Now let's saute all the vegetables. Add oil and saute onions and bell peppers first. Don't overcook. They still need to retain their shape. Transfer them to a separate bowl once they are soft. Add another tablespoon of oil and saute the mushrooms in high heat. Do not add salt, that will make them exude a lot of moisture. However, they will discharge a lot of water, so cook until all the water evaporates and the mushrooms turn brown. Transfer them to a bowl. Once done, add a little butter and oil in the same kadai. I am also using butter for that rich flavor. You can use only oil if you wish. Keep the heat low, move back and pour the prepared mixture into oil. Watch out, it may splatter on you. Immediately add turmeric to it. Then goes in chili powder as per your spice preference. And keep stirring the mixture continuously. Keep the heat in low to medium, cover and cook. Keep an eye on it and stir when needed. It's time to add coriander powder. Give it a good mix. Once the gravy is almost done, add fresh cream or homemade malai. This gives that extra creamy texture to the gravy like the restaurant ones. Combine everything well and add the sautéed veggies. Mix them well. Add salt to taste. And then add water to the mixie jar that you had used to prepare the paste. This helps in using the remains from the jar effectively. Pour this water right enough to soak all the vegetables. Now cover and cook until the gravy turns thick or until you acquire the desired consistency. Look how silky and creamy the gravy looks. Finally add fenugreek leaves or kasuri methi and top with a hint of butter. That's it, your delicious, rich and creamy restaurant-style kadai mushroom is ready to serve. Enjoy with roti, naan or any kind of flavored rice and your taste buds will thank you. You don't need to thank me though. Just hit that subscribe button and ring that bell please. Give me a thumbs up if you like this recipe and share it with your family and friends. Thanks for watching. Take care and stay happy.